Did you know that it only took a week for ChatGPT to attract 1 million users and that it takes approximately 10 million queries a day? With these numbers, it would be right to say that AI has entered the mainstream world and how we do things has to change. But why am I talking about ChatGPT in a video about tools to maximize your Facebook ad success? Well, ChatGPT is one of the most amazing tools you can use to maximize your Facebook ad success. So grab a pen and take some notes because in this video, I am going to tell you 5 must-have tools to unlock the full potential of your Facebook ads. And do not miss out on the 5th tool because, yeah, you know it. That one is my favorite. I keep it the best one for the last. Tool number 1 is, of course, ChatGPT. With AI, the best thing you can do is to make it work for you. And ChatGPT can do literally anything you want, like anything, like not anything, but anything. And one of the amazing things you can do is use this tool for your Facebook ads. Confused? Well, from brainstorming to creating engaging ads, captions, and headlines, ChatGPT does it all better and quicker. You can use it from the beginning of your journey till the very end. And I'll tell you how. At the start, you can use ChatGPT to fast track your learning about the industry as well as your niche. The next thing to do is to determine your audience. You can tell ChatGPT about yourself and your brand and ask it to define the groups who might benefit from your product or services. It will generate a list of prospective customers. Similarly, you can also ask it to list your competitors. ChatGPT can provide engaging ad copies along with eye-catching headlines and captions. And that's one more advantage. You just need to describe what you are looking for. Well, one thing you need to keep in mind is that this tool may not be ideal for YouTube or SEO, but you can still use it to transform your Facebook ads for better. Okay, so now you have the content, but what about the visuals? This brings us to tool number 2, which is Canva. Canva should be your go-to graphic design tool to help you flawlessly and easily put your ad designs to life. You can create amazing graphics for your Facebook ads in whatever way you want and need. But if that seems like a lot of work, Canva has also more than 250,000 customizable templates to suit different campaigns and goals, creating, customizing your ads, in a quicker fashion, which it becomes really easy and you create ads quickly. Thanks to its interface and extensive library of templates, pictures, and design elements, Canva can be a perfect tool for spicing up your Facebook ads. An alternative to this is PicMonkey, which will help you create artistic work. Though figuring it out can be a bit confusing, but becomes easier with each use. Now that you have made the ad, next comes optimizing and processing the data you will receive from it. And this leads us to tool number 3, which is Data Studio. The data you receive on Facebook may not always align with reality, but with Data Studio, you can prevent discrepancies and ensure that data is correct. You can use this free platform integrated with Google Analytics to get pixel perfect data. Upgrade your game even further by using BigQuery to integrate Data Studio with your backend data or customer relationship management software, which is called CRM. With this, the Data Studio will turn the raw data into consumable content. Customizable templates make displaying your ad data a breeze. Data Studio includes it all: charts, heat maps, time series, and maps. Segment your data by demographics, region, and more to easily compare performance. You can unleash its full potential by connecting it to your Facebook ads and see the real results that will help you make accurate and efficient strategies. Next is tool number 4, which is Google Sheets. Now this is a powerful spreadsheet tool which is freely available by Google and can help you manage your Facebook ads data properly. With Google Sheets, you can say goodbye to manual calculations and hello to efficient data management. You can use Google Sheets to streamline a lot of things, from measuring progress to planning and strategizing to noting down your results. Well, if you know how automation works, Google Sheets can be a big asset. It will enable you to rapidly and correctly evaluate data and collaborate with co-workers in real time from any device, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. This tool will help you easily monitor your ad expenditure, gauge ad performance, and analyze a lot of data. Well, if you don't want to go for Data Studio, then this is the handy on-the-go tool to have. And even if you have Data Studio, you will still want it. Now, before you dive into creating engaging text and visual, optimizing data, and tracking performance, you need a solid plan in place. You'll not only save time by having a planned and coordinated campaign, but you'll also improve your chances of success. That's where these tools come into play. Lastly, on number 5, we have tools like Asana or Notion. These are the project management tools that have revolutionized the work, or that will revolutionize your work. If you have a team like I do, you can use this to create and assign tasks and establish due dates to ensure that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Asana offers a workspace with a project area that you can color code and filter depending on people, tags, and importance. The tasks allocated to projects are displayed as a list on a calendar or filtered by category via boards. Notion, on the other hand, is a all-in-one workspace with virtually endless setup and customizable options. This tool brings together tasks, docs, and spreadsheets all into one. In Notion's workspace, you can create, plan, explore, and complete all your tasks. Each workspace has a sidebar which you'll find all the settings, templates, and other tools, and a blank canvas as an editor for you to create your content. Both are excellent tools, but which one will work best for you is a real question. The key to assess this particular thing is it depends upon your use case. So use both of these tools and finalize it for yourself. You can also integrate both of these tools with each other, like Notion with Asana, which will let you view the status of Asana projects and tasks and connect them across the database via database filters, views, and rollups. I don't want to complicate stuff, but that is also possible. So pick up one and then go ahead and change your mind later on. Well, that was all for the tools. You can easily build engaging and impactful ads by using these 5 tools. These tools will ensure that your ads stand out and deliver the results you need. From creating the right visuals to writing a persuasive copy, you will be able to effectively and efficiently market yourself and your brand. So don't wait. Start using Facebook ads right away to obtain the engagement and conversions you want. So have you used any of these tools? How did they work for you? Let us know in the comments below. And remember to subscribe for more. You can always unsubscribe later anyway. Until next time, bye-bye.